Hello, I am Susan Zam. Welcome to today's class. We will be looking at common mistakes in Birom, part 4. Nome summa. This sentence is wrong because summa is a Hausa word. The right thing to say is nome cek rugu, which means give me a rag. Summa is cek rugu in Birom. Give me a rag. Second, explain ame. Explain as the English word. Rame bayani. Bayani as the Hausa word. So these two are wrong. The right thing to say in Birom is misangame. Misangame, which means explain to me. Explain to me. Next, that's why misimiho. Wrong. That's why as the English word. Or shiyasa misimiho. Shiyasa as the Hausa word. So it's wrong to say shiyasa misimiho. The right thing to say is yagano de misimiho. Yagano de misimiho, which means that's why I love you. Okay? The last one here is nerame na piehom, or you say nerame da piehom. Ner is a Hausa word, so it's very wrong of you to say nerame na piehom. The right thing to say is toyoame na piehom. Toyoame na piehom, which means return my thing. Return my thing. Toyoame na piehom. Well, that will be all for today's class, and I hope you will take time out to do your practice judiciously. Remember to subscribe to Idagu World YouTube channel, okay? Thank you for participating. See you soon. Bye for now.